good morning, cyber traders. Happy Monday, everybody, and hopefully everybody enjoyed their Easter and everything. Good to see everybody's back here this morning. Been a fun morning so far. Had a couple of really good ass runners. I know a lot of us cleaned up on some of these stocks. We're going to talk about the VSTE. I still have it. I held on pre-market and the MESO. You guys, I know you did really well on that one. We'll talk about those two pre-market movers. They're looking pretty nice for a lot of you guys here. And I know some of you cashed out, but we'll there's a few more out there. We'll keep an eye on it and go from there. But overall, a couple of things just to cover what happened over this past weekend. I told you Friday was going to be, market was closed. Not really a lot going on. Thursday was going to be slow. I went to Florida. I went to go see my in-laws, see how they were doing. They were doing pretty great. It's always only certain times I really kind of get off. And not only that, but a lot of kids are off from school over here, especially where I'm from. Actually, some are off today. So today, obviously, coming back over a big weekend, usually you won't get that much, but we are getting a couple of good runners. But overall, last week was really nice. I want to cover a couple of stocks that we traded last week. We'll go through the watch list, get ready for the market opened up. And then, by the way, anyone here watching here on social media, you got that top left-hand corner. Make sure you take your phone, scan that QR code. We got a live trade room that's running all day long. You're more than welcome to join us. Now, regarding about a couple of the things that we traded last week, things that did really well. I did a couple of good videos, especially on Riot, the IPO that went out. That was a really fun stock from 45, shot up to 75, up almost a double. I did talk about how dangerous it is to trade into initial public offerings. And, hopefully that kind of explained it. It was good on the 26th. It got pretty Nancy on the 26th. So 25th was pretty good. We saw that little rebound. But unless you were like the category 4 traders, you had to be careful of that. A couple of the nice little runners too. BDRX was pretty decent. That stock literally was a cheap and expensive stock. IBIO, I thought was really nice. That thing ran from, you can see from here, ran from $1.40 up to about $4. That was a good move. DJT, that was a new IPO also. That was basically the Trump stock that did phenomenal too. We saw what happened on Monday where they lowered the amount of money that he had to come up on that fine from like $500 million to $100 billion. That made that stock really did well. Stoke was also another nice mover, $10.16. Just banging out the list, just showing you. CGC, I don't know what happened to all these pot stocks, but this thing went from $2 to $10. Very inexpensive stock, very cheap, nice little moving stock. ACB also ran side by side with that one. Verdi was also a pretty nice little mover. And then my ultimate favorite, which I went over this weekend to buy a couple of them, Krispy Kreme signed a nice little deal with McDonald's. They're going to start selling in their stores. That really did really well on that trade. $12 up to $18, but now starting to come back down to big support levels. So overall, it was a really pretty good day for the week. It was short-lived. Monday to Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, obviously, market being closed. But anyway, let's go hop on what's going on this morning. We got a couple of big movers. I want to start off with some of the stocks that we have. I'm going to sell this position right now. Let me get out of this position right now. Can I get out of it? Put a limit order out there. Yeah, okay. Shoot. I screwed up. I had the wrong order. Oh, there I go. I had it default at 100. I had to get out 1,000. Let me just get out of that position. So we got two stocks that are moving pretty well. I want to talk about some of them that are moving. The VESC, I got in a little late. I got in right around 1040. I wanted to wait till it break this resistance levels. There were a couple of really nice iceberg orders we bring up here on level 4. You could see right here, once that order got filled right around here, that I'm looking at right there. And then obviously the stock took off, made a really nice move. I got a little bit late to the game. I know some of you got a little bit earlier. Some of you jumped in right around 8:30 when it got to 8:70. That was not bad. Messi, this one also was not that bad. I jumped in a little late also myself. It was running since 8 o'clock this morning. You could see it right here, how it basically made a nice little hold. It held right here at this price. And sure enough, when it got close to this resistance levels, you could see here around 6:30. I should have got out right around here. I don't know. I think it's holding pretty strong. I still like it. But this stock also last week was a nice little mover too. You can see it ran from $3 to $6, broke this big resistance levels around $5. That one's not that bad. Anyway, market didn't open up yet. It's only 6:06. It's 9:06. Okay, we got another 25 minutes before the market opens up. These things could still move. So I'm still interested in a buyer. I'm putting on my watch list. But overall, I think some of you here that logged in early and came in pre-market, you're probably done for the day, right? Probably say, pretty much done. I'm doing pretty well. Let's go down the list and see what else is out there. I did see this one also that was moving. She looks like she's building some support levels right here. I might go out there and maybe I'll buy it right here. This one's not that bad. This one's not, it's holding here pretty strong. I got to do a NASDAQ limit. I'm getting some orders here. I'll buy it right here. I'll get it right here. This one's not, it's kind of holding here at the support levels for a while. I see a couple of buyers right here. You can see them hovering right around here about the buck 22. It's a little slow moving stock. Nothing crazy. I don't think it's going to move too much. A good level one stock. SGRP. That was moving pretty nicely. This one's starting to trend down. It gapped up pretty big. We know about Messio. That's the one. That's the one I'm still holding on to, right? Yeah, I'm still holding on to her. I thought she was going to probably still hold on pretty strong here, about a $6 price range. So we got the resistance levels over here. You know what? That big seller that I saw earlier, right around here, there was this big 14,000 share seller. You see it there around 625. Let me zoom in over here, make it a little bit bigger. See that 625 right there? So he got filled. She got that order got filled. So I feel a little more comfortable with this stock than the other ones. All right. That's why I think I hold on to that one. What else we got moving this morning? This one is pretty much done for the day. Building, this one is pretty good too. This one's moving up pretty nicely. A nice little slow moving stock. The iceberg orders are not as big though. BLDP. We got we got about 10,000 hovering around 330 right there. That was moving pretty decently. This one also another cheap little stock. A lot of cheapies today, right? Not a lot expensive. EOSE, not that bad. That one I'll put on the watch list. And losers, I didn't see too much on the losers. This other than this one's getting crushed, destroyed. Did he get bought out? No, he didn't get bought out. Didn't buy. He's coming right around here. Ooh, that does not look pretty. Well, a good thing is we got support levels still right around here, around 19. I'll put this on the B list. But what is the name of the company? That's the question. Medicine must be pharmaceutical stock. We all know what happens with pharmaceutical stocks, right, everybody? They do not come back. All right, so this one, Maycap, there's that big run-up we had the other day, too, in the beginning of the year. She's taking a big hit. Kind of pass on that one. Pass. Okay, on the New York Stock Exchange, Boyle is moving. Okay, so Boyle, it's been taking a really big hit here. Boyle is up a little bit right here. Boyle's got a lot of support levels around 13. So put Boyle back on the list. It's an ETF. Trades a little bit different. What else we got here in New York? This one just keeps going up little by little. It's a cheap little stock. Volume is a little light. I like the spread over here. It doesn't look terrible. It looks like it's more of a New York Stock Exchange. Archipelago's got prints out there at 96. That's not bad. Okay. GAU. Nice little move here for the past few months. And any good losers? No. IBIO, we know why it's going down. KOLD is the opposite of Boyle. So that's the reason why if that's going up, this is going down. All right. So what do we got going on here? So Messio's doing pretty well. Still got a push up there. It's not really doing too well, this one. It's got to hold right around here. But this one's starting to push up a little bit. The stock's been on a really good uptrend. Messio, we got, like I said, it got that big seller that got done right there. I'm not seeing any sellers out there. I'm not seeing any sellers. That's a good sign. Okay, so we're looking pretty good there. So we got a pretty decent amount of good stocks that are moving in this morning. All right, so we got about 20 minutes before the market opens up. Traders, anything we're missing that we did not call out? Anything else? Anything else? So far, really good pre-market. So if you're watching us live on YouTube right now or any social networks, if you want to come join our trading room, you can basically come and join our trading room with all our traders right now. Right now, you're just watching on it. But traders, anything else I'm missing out there? Judith, we got was that CXAI? Yeah, good call. Definitely. Nice call right there. Let's go check out and see what's going on, Jeet. Let's load up the orders. We got over here. We got going on. Okay, we got some. Yeah, we got some again. Nice little pop. Looks like program trading kicked in. Definitely. CXAI. All right, nice little push there. Good call. Announced partnership with Google Cloud. Is that the news right there? All right. We got the news right there. Okay, we just posted it. That's the news that we just got came out. All right, good. All right, excellent. All right, traders. Now, listen, a couple of big announcements before we leave. You got phase 2 that's coming on this week, and then we're gonna have phase 3. Let's keep, make sure you're in classes. If you want to know how to get in those classes, traders. If you're not a student, talk to education advisor. I also did I posted a couple of really, really nice videos. Um, Hopefully everyone here is subscribed to my YouTube channel. I posted how to get book viewer in more detail. I went over the defaults. We'll post that link for everyone here. If you did not watch it now. It's about a 5-minute video. So I know everyone's asking me, hey, Fausto, how do I get the video? How do I get book viewer? How do I get book viewer? How do I get book viewer? Well, watch that video, and I do a little step-by-step video how to do that. And I did come out with a couple of other different videos. Also, I'm pushing a lot more videos now, a lot more training videos for you guys to get in there. But remember, those videos don't talk back to you. You got to be in the trading room to go from there. Good luck, everyone. Let's get ready for the market up. Last minute before we go, which some of you probably did not see that. Big iceberg order just showed up. Ooh, he just canceled. It was a 26,000 share bidder. He's probably saying, you know what? I'm not getting it. If I don't bid up for it, I'm not getting it. Good call. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. We'll start commentary. Don't go anywhere. Watch that video in the meantime. Enjoy your class. And then everybody on social media, like I said, we'll see you back here at 2:30, or just click on that QR code and, or click on the link, and we'll see you in the trading room. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. And don't go anywhere.